Alright guys, here's a quick tip for you guys cutting with a plasma cutter, designing your own parts. If you see right there, there's a little divot right there that I make inside of Fusion. Right there. Helps you be able to bend consistent bends every time. Every single one of these has it. Anyway, what I normally do, even on something running like that right there is 22 gauge and I'm running 275 inches a minute, I usually at the bend line, where the bend line is going to be, because you're going to erase that before you make a DXF file, I'll put a 100,000th circle there, cut the rest of the lines out, and I'll add that to my drawing. And as you can see, something like that is barely noticeable after you're done. It ends up making something like this. This one's not completely done, but as you can see, it looks good and it's quick. Thank you guys. See y'all later.